your foot in. Those are big, big shoes.
Yeah.
Oh no! It came right off. Oh, look at those toes. I see toes. Naked toes.
These are too floppy.
Can you fix the rugs so that they're straight and you don't fall? Do you know how?
What about these shoes?
You gonna put Daddy's slippers on?
Yeah. What do daddy's slippers do?
Other foot. Flip them around. There you go. Now put your feet in. Be careful in those, okay?
And what do they do? They're comfy and cozy. They're comfy and cozy.
Yeah?
Where did you get this magazine?
IKEA. Look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Where? Where am I?
You're in here.
But where?
I'll show you. What's on your shirt?
A jackalope.
What's a jackalope?
A jackalope is a part of bunny and roost.
A what?
A roost.
A moose?
No, a roost.
What's that?
It's a moon.
Are you done?
Yeah, can I see?